Do you want to learn the most effective way to do keyword research for SEO for free? Well, stick around because that's what we're going to cover in this episode of SEO Snacks. SEO Snacks. Hello and welcome to SEO Snacks, bite-sized SEO tips and hacks that you can implement straight away. My name's Janelle, I'm an SEO consultant from ContentQueen, and today I'm going to take you through my foolproof method for conducting keyword research. I use free tools, it's super fast and super simple, and we're going to run through it right now. So, as you know, this is called SEO Snacks, so naturally snacks are involved. So let's see what my snack of the week is. And this week's snack is peanut M&Ms. Yum! Okay, I'm ready to get started now. How do you open these things? Which side do I go from? Oh, shit. It's still good, 3-second rule. Best snack yet. So remember, with SEO Snacks, you can drop a comment with your favourite snack and it could be featuring in a future episode. Please be kind. I hate laptop mouse pads, so here's something I prepared earlier. It's not very pretty, but that's the trick. It's just so much easier than me fumbling around trying to get the mouse pad to work. Cool, so let's go. Before we even get started with keyword research, Before we even get started with keyword research, we need to write down the core services that you offer. So for me, I'm going to conduct keyword research for panel beaters in Wellington. And what I need to do now is write down panel beaters, car repair, car painter, collision repair, anything that I think people might search in relation to their business. So that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to create a list of 10 possible keywords and then we're going to plug them into Google Ads keyword research tool. So let's go. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to sign up for a Google Ads account. Don't worry, you don't need to actually start doing ads. We're just going to sign up so that we can use your amazing keyword research tool. So once you've signed up and you've got an account, don't run any ads. Instead be cheeky and we're going to go up to Tools and Settings, Keyword Planner. And let's open that up. And we're going to click on Discover New Keywords because that's what we're here to do. Depending on which country you're in and where you want to target, change this. For me, I just want to target New Zealand. So click on that and remove United States because then you're going to get research from United States if you enter that. Great, so we've changed the location and now we're going to plug in our 10 keywords. You can't do more than 10. Just copy and paste them in like that and they'll automatically, if you've got them in separate lines, separate. Click Get Results. Alright, so this is where the magic happens. So Google's telling me what the average amount of monthly searches are for each of the keywords I've plugged in at the top here. See, the ones I've put in for collision repair don't get many searches, so you know what? I don't want to target those on this website. However, Panel Beater Wellington gets between 100 and 1,000 searches per month, which means that it's actually a great keyword to go for. However, now down the bottom here, you can also see other keyword ideas that Google has given me in relation to what I've searched. These are all great as well. However, not all of them are going to be relevant to my client. For example, my client doesn't do windscreen repair. They don't do car servicing, they purely fix cars that have crashed. However, what I'm going to do here, it's not a lengthy list, there's only 21 results, which is fine because these keywords up here actually look really great. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to select them all and up here I'm going to click on Download Keyword Ideas and I want this to go into Google Sheets. This is automatically going to put it into a nice pretty Google Sheet for me where I can further look into the keywords that I've found. Preparing report. I'm going to open the sheet now. And here we're going to look at the keywords. It's sort of made the average monthly searches change a wee bit, but you can still identify what the most important keywords are going to be. So for me, definitely panel beater. What else do we like? Windscreen repair, Wellington panel and paint is looking good. Car servicing Wellington isn't relevant to me. So yeah, I think these are our core keywords. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug this top keyword here into Google and see what happens. Great, how bloody easy was that? We just got an amazing list of keywords that we can potentially use on our website by literally taking a few minutes of our time. Amazing. Now there's one more step and I'm going to get to that one in just a moment. So hold tight. The next thing I would like you to do is download this free extension in Chrome, which is called Keyword Surfer. This is a Chrome extension that's free to use. You add it to your browser, and every time you search something in Google, it'll show you how often that gets searched for, and it will give you other examples of keywords you can also use and their search volumes. It's absolutely magic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type into Google panel beater Wellington. Oh, it's already popping up here. And this automatically tells me that there's 1,000 searches per month on average for this keyword in New Zealand. You can change the location as well depending on which country you're in, and it's also going to give you other keyword ideas. This is a fabulous tool. It's completely free to use. How amazing is that? Now, this is basically telling me that panel beater Wellington is the keyword that I should definitely go for. So now that I've done this research and I can see that it's a good keyword to use, I'm also going to have a look at other things that I can include. We've got searches related to panel beater Wellington down the bottom here. So this just gives you more of an indication of different variations of keywords that you can use in your website in order to get found for them. And that's that. That's so easy. It's free. It barely takes 10 minutes to do this kind of research, and it will give you a good indication of what keywords are best for your business. So there you have it, how to conduct keyword research simply and for free. I hope you enjoyed this episode of SEO Snacks. If you did, please leave a comment, hit that like button, and hit the bell button so you don't miss a future episode. If you'd like to nominate a snack, please drop it in the comments, and if you have any questions about SEO at all, please just comment it and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for sticking around, and we'll see you next time when we actually cover how to choose the best keywords for your business. Bye! SEO Snacks.